when was all Kasai?
Oh, no one to say no vice president, so Kasa.
Okasa about the economy and answer then.
Oh, slightly, yeah. No vice president. Only so the zipline drones now, you know. And now I said, yeah, commission by console Volta region. And you know, vice president, joining the Volta regional minister and the MP or Afajato and the zipline penny for. I'm going to launch another zipline project or Volta region. Senebeya, one more Afajato Mountains and the tree in the surrounding areas in the Volta region, new tea. And they're getting to the northern part of Volta. Eba, Greater Accra side, they have Eastern region parts, maybe so. Zipline drones, a bit to me, Arucho. Until I don't need you, my dear. I'm penny a bit a chair. A good dear and a papa no crowns and or bar cabinet. I'm a cabinet meeting, I'm penny a frayan or mobile, and no home, and then some of economy. And just will be a political talk. So, some you, Manasana, it do baby and Nipa Benuna, I lost on them. Tikasa be Tiffany Ramahamamoy. Other than that, how can any reasonable person, logical mind, stay on a national platform, radio, unity, this is a vice president? You know, I mean, which reasonable person would say that?
Yeah, but because
vice president Bawumia, how you not calling for?
What argument and they say, and I think the former president re-echoed that. The argument has been said, "Oh, boss, the vice president claim to fame was the economic lectures. He was quite vociferous on matters of the economy, and this time now, Ghanaians need to hear from him now than ever. In Tianka Omekasa, Empire economy no. I think that has been
if there is a genuine call, and I will see among some areas, we do with difference and respect to each other. As Opani Kasate said, yes, if President Mahama feels Babia and no mark could do this and a normal secret. Osusu say Gideon Asamoah Dr. Bawumia ewo nimdeɛ sonko bi o gidi sɛ o baabonte bedana dia ebitima aboa ema ɔman nkyekere ne ho sika sɛ matimatoto yi na aboa Ghana fo nyina. That's a better and nice way to say it. So, oh, I'm expecting the government, of course, the vice president led by who is leading the economic management team. No, if you by be a deal, my attending car, if it to me, Abua. Not to be an objective call, and you won't take it out of anybody's Obemiki sa clarion call. No. Na yes, you have a come up because some of the concerns and conferences say, oh, yes, vice president Bekasa Beboy. It's somehow so I say in crown, I say vice president in crown, a man who say Nipa with Gideon Asamoah and conform respecting opinion. Na omubuno. So say in times of maybe a crisis and access difficult situations, Omufis or no ebemwa a bit more settle storms, And so you see now say boat in the Mona structure, but now what that day. But in Crawford sign, or more no Mona and crowd Okunyane say or Mekasa. And Pa used to Kasa and so a structure no the course of vice president or being a no Kasa a bit on BBS, It's good. Now, if you say, and also share the level of confidence and the trust Ghana for any GD Ghana for war. Or Mampeni, Abedi Achi, Mahmoud Bawumia say, almost to say, in times of difficulty, obetimi akyerɛ
Hello? Hello? Wow. Okay. Dr. Gideon Buakwa Homano article, we would have to work the lines and get him back. Now, no ababe twaso Eddie and Como. But mama yentie we emra and let's fix the issues. No yaba yene dog betwaso akasa. Stay with us. Ekosi sense na higher Senpai FM.
We may get that and then while the BDC one could take a few days to materialize.
Okay, very well. Duncan, my Nasi, we appreciate your time, your contribution on our show every day. I be free will be. I that's a why.
Obi, asempa etiefo no mocha award some of the modem about 2 na metie kosi sen.
Yeah, that's it. I mean sure. Great. Duncan Asamoah, Executive Director, Emma Kopek Chamber of Petroleum Consumers Ghana, and Moteno and Kaenti. Essentially, no Junemo Emma ya use fuel. Eva petroleum products. Chrome here in Yanara. Ujinemu Ekasa Ede MIA. And that's where we are now. We are expecting that statement to come either today or tomorrow. And Saka Pepepa, but there is a new twist to the Assam North MP case at our court. That is in Cape Coast. Some decisions have been made in court today. And Sembe Yabekoho na yako akwa kudi sa nkomo no yewia yene Felix Kwacho Fosu and Dr. Gideon Buakonso ebedi nkomo on Enra Asamoah former President Mahama e ko kan de na all Kenya na say he say ahwehwe vice president ayehu no because na ono ka say wachi CD no e de na to jail e de safana ma IGP no e yakwa akoye say CD ni mom na ache Dr. Bawumia de na she jail na ope IGP akwa akoye safana hwe so betimi e de ebie na enti those were some of the things Enra Mampenyi dada e de etu edwa Mamen kwa humano ne Richard Kojonya akwa Central Regional Correspondent in the Nkomo Council akwa banet saying
Nyame adome ho ye na wo
adome ya de cry nkakra na ene Cape Coast High Court and saying
Court of Appeal.
Oh, Court of Appeal in Cape Coast. Okay.
Yes. When you say judgment of the Cape Coast High Court in the by
yes.
Na Georgia question and send ho ase nti or the Court of Appeal. Nti omo yes omo ngim tum nti a Court of Appeal no around I think on the 22nd of March counsel for the MP Chachichi Kata Eka will seek clarity on the use of CI-47 our mode the stay of execution now what before the Court of Appeal but before that na court registrar now or Court of Appeal issue what is called a certificate of non-compliance to Mr. Jachi Kwesi and the lawyers on the 24th of January. Now 24th of January not it was to the effect to say more from 6B that from 6 a notice of dispatch of records to the Court of Appeal. And I think a saying records ne fi high court ni ade ni nyina no I think the Court of Appeal. Nti sanye mali nyina na nka say ka ho e ka mo written submissions na nka mo the Court of Appeal na nka judges and as a panel of judges atena na nka mo ahwehwem. Nti sa time na MP within 21 days to file his written submission way back in October nti omo file is away you see MP and file a written submission. Next one file within 21 days. Based on that, and in court register issue a certificate of non-compliance. Nande court to class Ebesha said na Chachikata, a lawyer for the Assam North MP FSA. I filed 3 applications by a woman to disqualify the presiding judge Chakunyemuna Udia Seminole. We in a panel the trade and John By no say the process of my finding a day in about cry ni what abetom winning. Let's just say winning hoshi based on that omo bekoso na the day's proceedings omo their transfer. But I no say confirm into no one to be by Chimam near but we actually know and a panel of judges no more court of appeal no. I dismiss it case said. Now or more 21 days we didn't wait to file or more written submission or 1 year. Then they had no basis because among some mobile appeal no or comply with the court procedures until they just are serious about the process no man are filing. Until judge could see the famous Lord Denny said you cannot put something on nothing. Let's say BBA you won't even be so.
Yeah.
Based on that, strike it out the appeal now a year before the court of appeal. Let's say strike appeal before the court of appeal. Yeah, let's just say other motions in the applications also was striking out and then see a court of appeal. Let's just say the a high court decision taken last year it still stands judgment creditor Michael and coming in for I said not resident now they do the application for court to say now on ye eligible no contest elections so let's just say me out to execute that particular judgment. Any MPP form in common and any representative of the petitioner in common which means so they say they gave appeal be any before the court in or mobile chain normally do na electoral committee it take your decisions and then no more a declare seat in the vacant no more after by election so more there or more a lazy or more chain electoral commission no more after 12.
Okay, that is essentially the appeals court strike out appeal a failure on the part of the lawyers to file or more applications within 21 days grace period.
Their submission, their
submission, or more written submission.
Court of appeal now.
Yes.
You need to have your written submissions before the court
within 21 days. And the lawyers did not do that?
They did not do that.
Why? Or more explanation, they saying, did they give any?
Well, so there hasn't been any explanation to that effect. In October, no more filing process in the 24th of January now, court register issues certificate of non-compliance let's just say 3 months at that time let's just say file a process file a written submission it's not panel if we say now what would do application I don't share that serious because they bar one would you be but who appealing this appeal the next say file that written submission based on that other case biana say under motions and applications bia eka ba kope contempt ora chachichikata ewo site Michael Ankuma nimfa say odintro one of the processes in the court court asking decision on the contempt e dey akwesti e da bia omwankasa be decide nti say here dey kwesi no unless you say there is a process and after a relisting of that case and after there is an appeal beyond the I just said that I could see
any pitrim. In the meaning the other applications here in Accra, some before the Supreme Court, any Ibinsu your friend is saying I think there is one of the one on human rights here, the Accra High Court, I don't know, but applications there were Accra, effect of ruling way on them.
Well, so this is the Court of Appeal.
Yes.
And also the Supreme Court, then a lot of them border on interpretation.
Interpretation, of course.
So that is the exclusive jurisdiction of another exclusive jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The commencement of the criminal case against him. Yes. They will continue to run. But all of these, they border on the applications and motions that were before the Court of Appeal.
Yes. Yes. The Court of Appeal the other day, closed case until say another appeal, Abano. What is
exactly so unless they file for a relisting of the appeal because it wasn't dismissed and it was struck out. And I think there is a window of opportunity for them to relist the case. So when we spoke with some of the lawyers of the NDC, they indicated that Omo Chain that time na Ura Chajichikata and Ura Periwaja Omu Fike Pus El Kwakra. nti omo ni omo be ye meeting na dey be free mbeba they will take a concrete decision on it say a kwan na omo be afa so na omo edi asamasia baby na.
Very well. My nase council bibia ni e be sia ba bedi nkomo bio. Why? Richard Kojonya Kon Central Regional Correspondent and Amotesi no Kasa ene from the Court of Appeal in Cape Coast. And Samoa Akwako PMO Ewoho enono. The appeal application by the MP for Asin North